Hello guys, today I will show you how to create a content type in SharePoint and how to use content type in SharePoint list. To create a content type, first we will go to the site content. First click on site content, after then click on site setting. In site setting, there is a web designer gallery over here. Look at here. And there is an option site column and site content type. I want to create a site content type, so I will click on site content type. After then, lot of options are looking here. To create a content type, there is an option create a content type over here. Just click on that. Here we had to name our content type. I will name it content type. uh, Description, if you want to give a description, then give here. Then here you will select list content type, because we had to use in a list. After then list content type, and we'll choose you here announcement, then create. Here our content type is created. Now we can add column from here. Name the column, choose a column type, whatever column it is. Then here we can create a column. Now our content type it is created here. Now we have to use the content type. To use the content type, I'll go to my list. My list name is expense tracker. After then I go to the gear icon, then list setting. To enable content type, we have to go to the advanced setting. In our advanced setting, there is an option content type. We have to enable from here. Then click OK. Now here content type option is enabled. From here, now we have to add a content type to the SharePoint list. Here I will search my content type, which is I named a content type. Here it is. Now from here I can add to the SharePoint list, then click OK. Then go to the SharePoint list. From here, see here, look here, our content type is created. Now I can use in my SharePoint list.